So our campaign and our demand to the university is to basically resolve these issues and say that if you want to have this world-class, unique system of highly personalized undergraduate teaching, which is, it's quite a nice idea, we need proper pay and support, to deliver that. There's a committee that we took this petition to say, can you meet our demands? At that point, the campaign hadn't been going for very long, but we took them this petition and they rejected us outright and gave us rejections that we found were quite offensive, basically over last summer. But I guess what we learned from that in terms of our campaign and our organising is that we hadn't quite done enough. And what we hadn't done enough to do and what we're working on now is trying to build much deeper, more robust organising structures across the university. That is the current thing we're running is a postcard campaign. Here's our postcard. And at the moment, what we've tried to do, rather than kind of sending that out to everyone or sending a petition out to everyone, is trying to recruit people across every department, kind of one or two individuals who are willing to take a lead in that department, to gather up signatories of members in the department who are doing this hourly paid teaching. And so far, we've managed to recruit over 50 kind of individuals across the whole university to do this role. And as a result, in just 3 weeks, we've already gathered 300 postcards, which we're really happy with, given that our petition, I think, took longer to gather. It was a much less of an ask for people to actually fill in a postcard. We have digital ones as well, obviously, because a lot of things are still happening online. It's been really, really heartening to see that when we've built this kind of structure across the institution and have people in their own departments going out, having one-on-one conversations, trying to organize in those spaces, my sense is we're building a real movement. And when I talk to staff members or other people, other friends who aren't even involved in the UCU, who don't know about this, they're telling me now this is a big issue on campus. This is something that needs to be dealt with.